First one is XLOOKUP. If you've ever used VLOOKUP before or HLOOKUP before, XLOOKUP replaces both of those. What does XLOOKUP do? Just like the name implies, you can look up data. Here I have a table with a bunch of data related to different countries and different brands' sales. I want to list out the store manager based on the country. I have another table down below that has the country and the manager. I want to pull the manager from here and insert it up here, and XLOOKUP will help with this. To use XLOOKUP, let's type in equals, and first off, type in XLOOKUP and then open parentheses. First, I need to define what value I want to look up. I want to look up the country, so let's click on country. Next, let's enter a comma, and now I need to specify what my lookup array is. This is basically where I'm doing my lookup, and I want to look over in this table down below. Here, I'm going to make it an absolute reference by clicking here and pressing F4 key. Next, I need to define the return array. Basically what happens is if it finds the United States down here in this selection, what is it going to send back? I want to select this column right here with the manager names. Here, I'm going to make it an absolute reference. The reason I'm making it an absolute reference is as I paste this formula down, I want it to continue looking just at this table right here. I've now specified my return array. Next, I can say what happens if nothing is found. I'm going to insert quotes, and I'll simply type in not found. Next, I'll enter another comma, and I could define the match mode. I want it to be an exact match, so I'll enter a 0. Basically, if it doesn't find an exact match for the country, I don't want it to return anything. Now that I'm all done, I'll hit enter. And here you see that it pulls in Oreo space because he's the store manager for the United States. If I copy this down now, you see that for China, it correctly pulls in Health Chips as the manager. You can use XLOOKUP for all sorts of neat scenarios. This is just a quick example of how you can use it.